Hey guys, does your workspace often look like this? Papers everywhere, tasks scattered, and everything just feels messy. What if I told you there is a way to streamline your workflow, especially if you're working with machine learning? Today, we are diving into how you can streamline your workflows using pipelines in machine learning. By the end of this video, you will understand how to make your processes more efficient and more organized, and you'll be ready to implement this in your own projects. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI. This side Asif Imnad. What exactly is a pipeline in machine learning? Think of a pipeline as a production line in a factory. Each station in the factory performs a specific task, and the product moves from one station to the next until it is finished. In machine learning, a pipeline works similarly. You have a series of steps or stages, each performing a specific task such as data pre-processing, feature extraction, model training, and of course, evaluation. Let's use a real-life example to make this concept even clearer. Imagine you are a chef preparing a dish. Here are your steps. First, you wash the vegetables. Next, you chop them. Then you cook them. And finally, you plate the dish. Each step is essential and must be done in a specific order. If you mess up one step, the entire dish could be ruined. In machine learning, your ingredients are the data and your dish is the trained model. But the question is why you should use pipeline. Here are a few key benefits of it. First one is definitely the consistency, which ensures that the same process are followed every time, reducing the chances of error. It is efficient because it automates the repetitive task, which helps you save a lot of time. Reusability. Pipeline can be reused for different projects with minimum adjustments, right? So you can just copy paste the same pipeline and just change the data set and change the algorithm used, and that is it. Maintainability. It will be easier for you to update, edit the code, and even easier for you to debug the specific part of the process. That's why we should use pipeline. Alright, before we proceed and discuss in detail, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our latest videos on AI. We see you're watching our videos, but 90% of you are not yet subscribed. We put a lot of efforts creating these videos for you free. Keep us motivated by liking and subscribing so YouTube algorithm will help us reach more audience. Okay, now as I promised, let's talk about how you can create a pipeline. We will use Python and a popular library called Scikit-learn. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step here. We're gonna use Iris Dataset from the Scikit-learn library itself, and standard scaler to perform standardization on the data. And finally, to evaluate our model, we are gonna use the metrics and accuracy score. Let's import this, shift enter. And finally, this is the important step that we are here for, right? Which is creating the pipeline. And how do I do that? It's very simple. Just we are going to use a class called pipeline, and we are going to pass what are the simple steps or the processes that you want to follow under this pipeline. Okay. So for this pipeline, I want to use a scaler. What type of scaler? Standard scaler. After the standardization of data, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a classification model, which is Logistic Regression. This is my machine learning model, right? And let's see how does my pipeline look like. So I'm just printing this variable to see how does my pipeline look like. Okay, so these are the different steps I'm following here. I'm not going to train this model. I'm going to train a pipeline. If you see, pipeline.fit, train the pipeline and the evaluate. We train complete pipeline and then evaluate. Okay, pipeline.fit, training data provided, and then pipeline.predict. So whatever functions that you get on each machine learning model, same functions that you can also see here on the pipeline, right? Pipeline.fit, pipeline.predict, and finally accuracy score. This is nothing different. We're gonna see the accuracy on testing data, okay? And this is how we actually create our pipeline and evaluate our pipeline. So using a pipeline, you ensure that every time you get a new data, it goes through a same rigorous process, ensuring your predictions remains accurate and reliable. isn't it? So to recap, pipeline help you streamline your workflows by automating and organizing the various stages of your machine learning projects. They're like an assembly line of your data, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Are you ready to streamline your workflows? Start by implementing a simple pipeline in your next project and see the difference it makes. If you have any questions regarding the same, let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and the colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.